Stretch your arm like, yeah. The other arm too, into both arms. You hold the control and stretch it. Yeah, follow the little guy in the blue box. Can you jump? Can you jump? Ooh. Jump side to side.
Keep jumping side to side. Super! Bend your waist like this.
1, 4, 3,
Yeah, good job.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. Keep doing it. Don't stop.
Dance with me.
Matthew, how
Dance with me.